to eat. Because my colleagues, the mission asked me to eat. So when I go back, I show them that this is what you wrote. And I read it. So I'm grateful to be here today at this important event to witness the presentation of the University of Dar es Salaam Golden Jubilee Award, Professor Craford Pratt. And for this, I also wish to sincerely thank Professor Mukandala for inviting me. And this award, Professor Pratt, is a token of sincere appreciation and gratitude of the alumni and community of the University of Dar es Salaam, and indeed, as has been said, the entire community of Tanzania, for your outstanding role and contribution to the University of Dar es Salaam and to Tanzania. When Tanganyika, as it was then called, gained independence in 1961, we didn't have a university. And when the first such university was opened, Professor Pratt assumed what must have been a very unenviable post. Under your wise leadership, the college started with one faculty, law, but soon expanded to faculties of arts and social sciences and natural sciences. And under your leadership, in less than 3 years, the college moved from the makeshift quarters downtown to a sprawling campus on a hill looking at the city of Dar es Salaam, where it eventually gained the status of university and where it has continued to grow and prosper. Above all, it was under Professor Pratt and as a reflection both of the ideals and policies espoused by Mwalimu Nyerere, the founding president of Tanzania, and the outstanding role of Tanzania in the evolution of post-colonial Africa ever since, that the university laid the foundations for its richly deserved prominence in Tanzania and beyond. Over the past 50 years, to many who have been at the university, as students, instructors, or visitors, the University of Dar es Salaam has been more than a place of learning. It has been invariably a refuge for progressive thinkers, fleeing from restrictions, and a beacon of hope and inspiration for activists for the noble cause of freedom, democracy, and human development all over the world. Thus, as the University of Dar es Salaam, as Professor Mukandala said, was celebrating 50 years of its existence, growth, and achievement, it was considered appropriate occasion to pay tribute to the pioneers who laid the foundations for these achievements, and the name of Professor Pratt ranks high on this role. It is also an appreciation of Professor Pratt's concern about building a just society, as well as his early commitment to the struggle for liberation in Southern Africa. I wish to note that even after returning to Canada, as has been said by the Vice Chancellor, Professor Pratt continued to be actively involved in the interest and progress of Tanzania and its people. Therefore, it gives me immense pleasure, on behalf of the government of Tanzania, to witness Professor Pratt being so highly recognized by the University of Dar es Salaam and by the President of the Republic. And I ask you all to join me in congratulating him.
Sure, everybody will join with me in thanking our two Tanzanian visitors, three, for coming all this way to give this honor, recognize the honor that Crown has played. Thank you. Thank you very much. You're welcome to stay there. Would you like to say a word?
Yes, I